Greetings, everyone! Today, we're facing a creative aftermath, dried acrylic paint stains on clothes. But fear not, because I've got a plan and a trio of household heroes to rescue our garments. Let's dive into the world of stain removal. Meet our first line of defense, dish soap. It's not just for dishes, it's a powerful stain fighter. Let's apply 1 teaspoon of this magical soap to the affected area. Next up in our stain-busting symphony is baking soda. This humble ingredient isn't just for baking cookies, it's a gentle abrasive that aids in lifting stubborn stains. Watch as I generously sprinkle a teaspoon of baking soda onto the painted area, ready to work its magic. And now, we bring in the third member of our stain-fighting trio, vinegar. This acidic powerhouse not only breaks down stains, but also helps to neutralize odors. A teaspoon of vinegar goes a long way in enhancing the stain removal process. Let's add it to the mix. With our trio in place, it's time for the magic to unfold. Grab a brush and, with deliberate yet gentle strokes, start rubbing the affected area. It's a dance of ingredients and fibers, working together to lift and erase those stubborn dried acrylic paint stains. And there you have it, the triumphant result. The dried acrylic paint stains have met their match, thanks to the powerful combination of dish soap, baking soda, and vinegar. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tips, and share your stain-removing victories in the comments. Until next time, happy cleaning and may your clothes stay paint-free.